Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next exercise, that is exercise 13.2. So, of the chapter surface area and volume. So, before starting this chapter, the important formula that will be used in this exercise is of right circular cylinder. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 2 pi rh, and the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h, where r stands for radius and h stands for height. So with these two parameters, we are going to use the two formulas CSA and TSA to solve this exercise. So the first question that we are going to solve of exercise 13.2 is number 1. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Assume pi is equals to 22 by 7. So let us see how to solve this sum. So we have a cylinder, right circular cylinder, this is the figure, and the height of the cylinder is given, that is 14 centimeter. We do not know the radius of this cylinder, so let us consider the radius of the cylinder as r. Now we know that the curved surface area is 88 centimeter square, so we will use the formula and substitute 2 pi rh equals to 88 centimeter square. We know that pi is equals to 22 by 7 and h is equals to 14, and we have to find r. So substituting all the values and subjecting r, we will get r is equals to 88 into 7 by 2 into 22 by into 14. So 7 and 14 cuts and we get 2. 2 cuts 44. 88 is cut and we got 44. Again 22 cuts 44 by 2 and 2 cuts out each other. So all the numbers you can see are cancelling each other and we get 1 centimeter. So the radius of the cylinder is 1 centimeter. Diameter of the cylinder will be 2 times the radius, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter. Therefore the diameter of the base is equals to 2 centimeter. So this is a simple sum that is solved using the CSA formula of the cylinder. Now let us see the next question. In question number 2, it says it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and the base diameter is 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheet are required for the same? We have to assume that pi is equals to 22 by 7. So we have to construct a tank first, and in the tank the height is given as 1 meter and the base is written on top. As you can see, it is covering up. So the diameter is given as 140 centimeter. We need to find the total surface area of the cylinder in meter square. So this base will be changed into meter. Height is given as 1 meter. So the radius will be diameter by 2. Diameter is given as 140. So the radius is 70 centimeter. Now it is given in centimeter. We have to divide it by 100 to get it in meters. So 0.7 meter. And the area of the sheet required to build such a tank will be the formula for total surface area. So total surface area, the formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. So substituting all the values, we get 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 plus 1. So we will get this 7 and 0.7 cancels each other off and we get 0.1. So we have written 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 1.7. When we multiply all the four numbers, we will get 7.48 meters square. So this is the total surface area for the cylinder or the metal sheet required to construct this kind of cylinder. And for today's tutorial, the last sum is question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 and the outer diameter being 4.4. We have to find three things: inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. We have to assume pi is equals to 22 by 7. So let us see how to solve this one by one. So in the diagram you can see that the inner diameter is given as 4. So the inner radius will be 4 divided by 2, that is 2 centimeter. The height of the cylindrical pipe is 22 centimeter. So first we have to find the inner curved surface area. So the inner curved surface area, for it the diagram will be the gray one. The inner diameter is 4, so the radius is 2 and the height is 77. So the curved surface area is equals to 2 pi r1h. R1 denotes the inner curved surface area. So equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 77. So 7 and 77 cancels each other off and we get 11. When we multiply all the four numbers, we will get 968 centimeters square. So this is the curved surface area of the inner curved surface area of the pipe. Now let us see the subpart 2. In subpart 2 we have to find the outer curved surface area. So for the outer curved surface area we are going to consider the blue diagram. The outer diameter is given as 4.4. So the outer radius will be 4.4 divided by 2, which is equals to 2 centimeter. Height is same, 77. So the curved surface area of the outer surface area of the pipe is 2 pi r2h. Here 2 into pi is 22 by 7. R2 is 22.2 and H is 77. Again 7 and 77 cancels and we get 11. And multiplying all the four numbers, we will get 1064.8 centimeters square. This is the curved surface area, or rather the outer curved surface area of the pipe. Now subpart 3, the total surface area. So try to imagine a pipe. In a pipe, the middle part is hollow. That means the diagram which is drawn in the right hand side, that is the gray one, this part is hollow. And the orange circle you can see in the first figure, the orange circle is the solid portion. So we have the outer diameter as well as the outer radius. Along with it, the hollow part is the gray part, where everything inside this gray part is empty, so it is hollow. So the inner diameter is given as 4 and the radius is 2. Now to find the total surface area, the curved surface area of the inner plus the curved surface area of the outer plus the area of the two base. The area of the two base is this portion. That means on a pipe we have a ring formation, and this ring is on both the ends, the top as well as the bottom. So this ring forms on both the ends. So the area of the base will be area of the circle with radius 2.2 minus area of the circle with radius 2. that is pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. So this we have to find differently, as we have already founded the curved surface area of inner cylinder and the curved surface area of the outer cylinder from subpart 1 and 2. Only here we have to find the area of the base, and then we will substitute in this equation. So 22 pi r2 square minus r1 square. So if we take it common, so we can write pi is common in bracket r2 square minus r1 square, and let us substitute the values. Pi is 22/7, r2 is 2.2 and r1 is 2. So r2 2.2 whole square minus 2 square, so 4.84 minus 4. So we will get 22/7. We will get 22/7 into 0.84, which will give us 2.64 centimeters square. So this is the area of the base. Now let us substitute all the values that we have to find the total surface area. Curved surface area of the inner cylinder is 968. Curved surface area of the outer cylinder is 1064.8, and 2 into area of the base. So the base is on top as well as on the bottom. So 2 into area plus area of base is 2 into 2.64. On calculating, we will get 0.38.08 centimeters square. Therefore, the total surface area of a cylindrical pipe is 2038.08 centimeters square. So today we have discussed three sums of right circular cylinder using CSA and TSA. I hope this short tutorial is helpful for you to understand. Thank you.